we know naman that Dunkin is one of the big brands na talaga nagtiwala sa SB19. We're very thankful na hanggang ngayon na nagtitiwala sila sa skills namin, nagtitiwala sila sa aming lima na ang dami namin pinagkaanan but nandyan sila sa likod namin just to support us and just to uplift everyone sa team namin. Maraming salamat po Dunkin family for always supporting us and loving us and na nagdaang ilang taon nating magkakasama. Napakasaya po since day one. Pero day 1 nag-usap, tapos day 2 yung contract signing. So, since day 2. So yun, thank you so much po, Dunkin. Maraming salamat po.
May point ka dun. May point. Hindi naman automatic day 1.
Si day 1 hindi agad fan. Siyempre day 1 pinanood ka. So nung naging fan, day 2 kinontak. Day 3 pala yung contract signing.
Tama.
Maraming salamat po. And until now, day 1,464 and 8 hours, maraming salamat po for supporting us as SB19. And sana po marami pa po tayong magawa together as a family. And sana marami pa po tayong ma-inspire at matulungan ng mga kababayan natin. Thank you so much. We love you. Salamat po. And of course, 18, maraming salamat po sa pag-support din sa Dunkin. Thank you.
Pero grabe, sobrang appreciate natin si Ninang Dunkin, no? Palakpakan naman natin si Ninang Dunkin for their love and support. Tsaka, grabe, dahil dito sa Thanksgiving na to, mas na-appreciate natin ang SB19, ang kanilang 6 years so far. So thank you so much for this Thanksgiving presented to us by Dunkin. It's such a perfect time to celebrate the wonderful 6 years with our Mahalima!
Yeah!
They have drastically changed not only the landscape of P-pop, but our personal lives as well. Because of their songs, performances, kahit na mga pasimpleng post at hi and hellos from the boys, na bago ang buhay ng 18. Diba? Anything for